think this is bittersweet for me. Oh, but there's a lot more sweet than there is bitter. So, I mean, bittersweet for a lot of reasons, but it's totally sweet. So I'm about to get into all this in this week's final recap of CodeCrew Code School. Let's get it. First, I want to say I apologize that there's a video that is coming out a week after the anticipated schedule, but I thought it'd be best to wrap it all up in one go instead of giving you a 2-week recap and then a graduation recap. So, I mean, anyways, what week are we on? I mean, we finished, so I guess it doesn't matter. We're on week 24. 24, 23. So week 22. So let me also say this. The last couple of weeks really weren't like we weren't learning anything new. It was more of a summary and implementation of the skills that we have learned. So in week 22, we actually preparing our hackathon project. And for those that don't know what a hackathon is, it's I guess in a sense a more compressed time that people or developers get together and try to generate this great idea that could possibly be used later down the line for, future business sense or something of that nature. Well, in this case, me and my partner decided to help our school. It was a hackathon for CodeCrew Code School. We decided to make an attendance tracker in attempts to alleviate the problem of having our teacher take away from teaching to get an accurate head count or actually having an accurate head count, because there are people that kind of come in late, drag in a little late, and it's hard to keep memory of who came in late and who was actually on time. So that was what we did in week 22. Week 23, we got into our passion project. So for me, my passion project is something that is a little more centered around things that I do outside of CodeCrew. For example, my dad owns a few houses on the street that I live in, and I have to deal with a lot of form submissions and collecting money, and there's a lot of other things that can go into real estate. But one issue I decided to tackle with my passion project was form submission, because I hated getting out of my bed to go pick up forms or leaving where I'm at to go pick up a form and make sure that he was able to come pick it up at any point. So I decided to make a rental credit application form not online, but online, Anyways, paperless version of it. That way people can come to that website or app and fill out all their form, have that data submitted, and it'll come straight back to us. So that is the passion project I worked on. So that's actually a real quick summary of week 22 and week 23. Let's get to the good stuff. Your boy done graduated from the CodeCrew Code School. Yeah, I still got my old stuff from graduating college, but you can't judge me. I feel like everybody else got theirs too. But anyways, I graduate with this thing. That means I know how to code. I got my JavaScript certification, and I kind of got through the class. Not really with flying colors, but I was bomb AF. You know what that means. I can code. I do it a little dumb. I'm good at it. But yeah, let's go ahead and talk about how that was for me. Okay, so really this week, let me show you guys my plaque. It's pretty nice, isn't it? Look at it. Ooh. So this week was a lot of things. It was stressful, mainly because I was coding all the way up to Thursday, and then even some afterwards. And then it was bittersweet because it's coming to an end and you don't want it to end yet. But also I needed my sanity and a lot of my sleep back, so that needed to happen. It was like tearjerker. It was a tearjerker. I can't cry. I seriously think I'm just not capable of crying. I think. I don't know, maybe. It takes a lot to move me. But at the end of the day, I was like, I'm gonna miss every one of y'all. And everybody did such a great job. I'm proud of everybody that made it through. It was not an easy course or class. I don't know what you would call this actually. It was not easy getting through this. focus. There's a lot of things that are happening outside, and just to keep that mental focus to stay in this program and keep moving, it's tough. And it's a lot of things to learn to be a full stack developer. And it's like, once you learn how to be full stack once, then we have to go over other frameworks and other things to help you be kind of diverse in being full stack. So this is a lot of stuff to get through. And just to see us finally be at the end, I was like, oh man, I'm gonna miss everybody. Man, I really can't cry. And it was pretty heartwarming though. I was excited, and I was also just like not wanting it to end. But I'm ready for the next part, the next chapter, where it's all gonna go. I'm super proud of everybody. I love my instructors, the program director, the executive director, the co-founders. I want to thank all of them, and my cohort. And we're like the first to get through this, so it was like a learning experience for everybody. And I think we'll be really, really well off in the end with this. So I'm really thankful for this program. I don't know where that segued into or went into. So, all right. So what's next for me? Well, I got a few job offers. I'm not gonna say which one I'm gonna go with, but just know I will be working at the top of the next year. So it's gonna be pretty awesome to be making some nice little money. I can get away from my so favorite place of work. I can't wait to leave them. I've been ready to quit for like the last 3 weeks. I'm staying strong because my income has not come in yet. What's next for this? So instead of abandoning good old YouTube, I got 50 subscribers, so I'm gonna keep going now. But I decided that I will take a little break from this, get well into my career, and I think I would like to inform everybody of what's going on now. So this is not dead. I actually enjoy this, and I think there's still ways I can get the word out, help people that may have questions. I really just want this to be a platform to like help people see what it's like in the life of a developer and what steps you can take to get to that point. And also, I feel like the more people see about what's going on, they'll be able to probably generate questions or find someone. I don't know. I think I'm kind of rambling at this point. I don't know. I want to be able to help. So I'm going to use this platform to help out best way I can, even if it's just answering simple questions. So this is not dead. By no means. I want to keep this going, and you guys will see a new phase, life, or I guess life after type of thing. But this is going to be the final episode of the series of CodeCrew Code School Recap. I got 50 subscribers, by the way, so I just want to reiterate that. Thank you guys. I was like, what? I got like 50 people to subscribe to my channel, and it's awesome. I want to thank everybody that's been watching this. Gosh, you guys might be as crazy as me. Woo, that's entertaining. But I do want to wish the next class for CodeCrew Code School the best of luck, the beta class. I know they're gonna kill it. We've paved the way for them, so maybe there'll be less struggle, maybe there'll be more struggle. Either way it goes, you're gonna struggle. But feel free to ask me any questions. Feel free to hit me up on any social media links. And I will come visit the beta class because I have nothing better else to do except develop and mess with people. That's always fun. But I think this will wrap up this final episode. So I guess I will say my usual tagline. Good night, good morning, good day, goodbye to everyone.